Introduction. Mysteries of the deep, oddities of the home. Our planet is a place of extraordinary wonders, both above and below the surface. From strange scents that hint at hidden dangers to breathtaking underwater phenomena, the quest for understanding connects us all. In the depths of our oceans, hidden from our everyday view, lies a world of breathtaking beauty and baffling occurrences. Join me as we journey into the blue abyss, exploring the wonders that have captivated explorers and scientists for centuries. But the spirit of discovery doesn't end with our oceans. It also lives within the walls of our homes. Section 1. The Ocean's Frozen Fireworks. A glimpse at frost flowers. Imagine diving into frigid polar waters and encountering a field of delicate crystalline structures that resemble white flowers blooming on the ocean surface. These are frost flowers, a transient and mesmerizing phenomenon found in the Arctic and Antarctic. Frost flowers form when the air temperature is significantly colder than the underlying sea ice. This difference in temperature causes water vapor from the ocean to rise and freeze instantly upon contact with the frigid air. The result is a stunning display of delicate ice crystals that grow vertically, resembling a field of frosty blossoms. These ephemeral beauties are not just a feast for the eyes, they also play a role in the polar ecosystem. Their ephemeral nature adds to their allure, reminding us of the constantly changing and dynamic nature of our planet. Section 2. Fire under the sea. Submarine volcanoes and hydrothermal vents. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, where sunlight can't reach, lies a realm of intense heat and pressure. The world of submarine volcanoes and hydrothermal vents. These underwater fire breathers are a testament to the immense power that churns within our planet. Submarine volcanoes, as their name suggests, are volcanoes that erupt beneath the ocean's surface. These underwater mountains spew molten lava, ash, and gases into the surrounding water, shaping the ocean floor and creating new landforms over time. Hydrothermal vents, often found near submarine volcanoes, are fissures in the ocean floor that release geothermally heated water. These vents are like underwater geysers, spewing out a mixture of hot water, minerals, and gases. The hot, mineral-rich water supports a unique ecosystem of creatures that have adapted to survive in this extreme environment. In the absence of sunlight, bacteria near these vents use chemicals from the vent fluids to produce energy. The discovery of life around hydrothermal vents revolutionized our understanding of how life can exist in the absence of sunlight. Section 3. When ice paint stripes. The curious case of striped icebergs. Icebergs, those massive chunks of ice that break away from glaciers and drift across the ocean, are a common sight in polar regions. But have you ever heard of striped icebergs? These icy behemoths, adorned with striking bands of different colors, are a testament to the powerful forces at play in the polar regions. Striped icebergs get their unique appearance from layers of ice that form under different conditions. Blue stripes, for example, often indicate ice that has formed quickly from seawater freezing. Green stripes, on the other hand, can be caused by the presence of algae that thrive in the cold, nutrient-rich waters around icebergs. Brown, black, and even yellow stripes can be formed by sediment or rock debris that gets trapped within the ice. When the iceberg breaks away and flips over, these layers of sediment are revealed, creating striking visual patterns. Each stripe tells a story, a tale of freezing and thawing, of algae blooms and glacial movements, of the powerful forces that shape our planet. Section 4. Illusions of the deep, bending light and playing tricks. The underwater world is a realm of shifting light and distorted perspectives. Light behaves differently in water than it does in air, leading to a variety of optical illusions that can confuse both humans and marine animals. One of the most common underwater illusions is the magnification of objects. Water acts like a magnifying glass, making objects appear larger and closer than they actually are. This is because the refractive index of water is higher than that of air, causing light to bend as it passes from water to our eyes. Another common illusion is the distortion of shapes. Objects viewed underwater can appear flattened or elongated depending on the angle of view and the water's movement. The ocean surface itself can create illusions, with waves acting like lenses, focusing light and creating patterns of bright and dark areas on the seabed. Underwater illusions remind us that our perception of the world is shaped by the environment around us. Imagine a waterfall, not cascading down a mountainside, but plunging beneath the ocean's surface, a torrent of cold, dense water plummeting into the depths. This is the Denmark Strait Cataract, an underwater waterfall located in the Atlantic Ocean between Greenland and Iceland. The Denmark Strait Cataract is a prime example of a thermohaline circulation, a global system of ocean currents driven by differences in temperature and salinity. In this case, cold, dense water from the Arctic Ocean flows over a ridge in the seabed and plunges more than 2 miles down into the Irminger Sea. This underwater waterfall is truly massive, with an estimated flow rate 3 times greater than the Amazon River. Its discovery highlights the vastness and complexity of our oceans, and the many mysteries that still lie hidden beneath the waves. The ocean is a canvas for a breathtaking array of colors, from the azure blue of tropical waters to the emerald green of coastal seas. But beyond these everyday hues, the ocean also puts on spectacular light shows, from fleeting green flashes at sunset to vast stretches of water turned blood red by microscopic algae. The green flash, a rare and fleeting phenomenon, occurs at sunset or sunrise when conditions are just right. As the sun dips below the horizon, its light is refracted or bent by the Earth's atmosphere. This can cause the sun to appear green for a brief moment, usually only a second or two. Red tides, on the other hand, are caused by massive blooms of microscopic algae, known as dinoflagellates, that contain pigments that reflect red light. While some red tides are harmless, others can be harmful to marine life and humans alike. Some species of dinoflagellates produce toxins that can accumulate in shellfish, making them unsafe to eat. Green flashes and red tides highlight the interplay of physics, biology, and chemistry that creates the vibrant and ever-changing tapestry of life in our seas. Just as the ocean holds its mysteries, so too do our homes. We often take for granted the familiar sense of our living spaces, but sometimes an unusual odor can be a sign of something amiss, a subtle warning that requires our attention. A musty smell can indicate the presence of mold or mildew, often lurking in damp, dark places like basements or bathrooms. Mold can trigger allergies and respiratory problems, so it's crucial to address the source of the moisture and clean up any mold growth promptly. A rotten egg odor, particularly if it's coming from your gas appliances, is a serious red flag. This smell is often associated with a natural gas leak, which can be extremely dangerous. Our sense of smell is a valuable tool for detecting potential hazards in our environment. From the breathtaking beauty of frost flowers to the hidden dangers of a gas leak, our world is full of wonders and mysteries, both large and small. The same spirit of exploration that drives us to explore the deepest oceans also compels us to understand the intricacies of our own homes. By paying attention to the details and questioning the unusual, we can unlock the secrets that surround us, whether they are hidden beneath the waves or within the walls of our own homes. Embrace your curiosity, delve deeper, and you might be surprised by what you discover.